Coming up are 5 things you must do before renting a house, so stay tuned. 5. Decide whether you want to rent by yourself, with someone you know, with a group of friends, or house share with new people. If you decide to go it alone, then be prepared to bear all of the living costs, but you will enjoy a lot of personal time and space. If you decide to rent with people you know, then it's a great way to build on existing relationships. However, everyone has their bad habits, so be prepared. A house share arrangement will be the most cost effective, but if you don't know these people, then go out for a coffee and see if your personalities get on. 4. Your affordability to rent will be calculated by the estate agent, but you should still work out what is your realistic budget. When you rent, there are still costs to you, including energy bills, council tax, content insurance, subscriptions, your mobile phone, groceries, going out, and travel. You should also try and factor in how much you want to save on a monthly basis into your budget. And when you've worked out your budget, you should stick to it. 3. You may have an ideal location in mind that is close to your friends and family, work and social life. But you should also have a look at houses in your surrounding areas, as this might be more budget friendly and still within touching distance. If you are taking a big leap into a completely new area to start a new life, then well done to you, and you should read up and visit the area a few times to see if there's a friendly community, as that will help you to settle into your new surroundings. This is a great platform for you to share your thoughts and experience so we can all learn from each other, so please comment below. 2. Go and visit the house to see how it's currently being lived in, as it will likely to be tenanted. When you are there, have a look to see if the house is structurally well maintained. If a house is not being repaired appropriately, then it could be a sign of how well their service could be to you. Ask if there's any restrictions, such as whether pets are allowed, so you can see how the house works best for you. 1. Even though the rental market is still moving at pace, try and visit the house a couple of times to see how the house will work for you. You should also visit the local amenities during the day and night to see what it has to offer. Once you are certain and you get that warm feeling, then you should contact the estate agent to put in your rental offer. No matter how great the house seems to be, remember to stick to your budget when you put your offer in. If at some point you want to buy a house, then check out this playlist or watch the recommended video, whatever takes your fancy.